Wonderful good day, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Mining Newsflash on Commodity TV. Today we feature Filo Mining, Caledonia Mining, Hanan Metals and Osisko Gold Royalties. Filo Mining reports that their ordinary shares are now traded on the OTCQX Best Market Exchange, a first-class public market in the USA, under the current trading symbol FLMMF. In addition to upgrading their listing on the OTCQX, the company is in the process of securing the listing as a depository trust company called DTC. DTC manages the electronic clearing and settlement of listed companies both in the United States and globally, thereby simplifying and accelerating the settlement process for investors. Filo Mining will continue to trade on the TSX Venture in Canada as its primary listing and on the Nasdaq First North Growth Market in Stockholm under the symbol FIL. This will give Filo new shareholders in the USA for sure. Caledonia Mining announces the completion of the equipment phase of the new central shaft so that commissioning will take place in the first quarter of 2021 as scheduled. The project was financed entirely from internal cash flow and completed at a cost of $60 million, well below the original cost estimates. The shaft will extend the life of the blanket mine at least until 2034. The central shaft is expected to increase production by approximately 45% from approximately 55,000 ounces of gold in 2019 to the target rate of 80,000 ounces by 2022. These economies of scale and increased operational efficiencies should reduce the total cost per ounce of gold from $855 in 2019 down to between $700 and $800 per ounce. In addition, the central shaft will provide access for further exploration at depths, which, if successful, would extend the life of the blanket mine beyond 2034. And also we think rising dividends would be one of the consequences out of that. Another piece of very good news comes from Hanan Metals. The company has signed a binding written agreement for a significant option and joint venture agreement with Japan Oil, Gas and Metals National Corporation called JOGMEC, Japan's independent administrative agency. Under the agreement, JOGMEC has the option to acquire up to a 75% interest in the San Martin project by investing up to $35 million in various stages to provide a feasibility study for the joint venture. Initial exploration activities will focus on the collection of geological, geophysical and geochemical data sets in the joint venture project areas. The first phase of exploration is expected to be completed in March 2021 already. Osisko Gold Royalties and Osisko Development have completed their previously announced spin-out transaction in a reverse takeover, which resulted inter alia in Osisko Royalties transferring certain mining properties, including the Caribou Gold Project and a portfolio of marketable securities, to Osisko Development. This created a new and leading gold development company in North America with the goal of becoming the next mid-sized gold producer. Following completion of the transaction, Osisko Royalties now holds approximately 88% of the issued and outstanding shares of Osisko Development. The common shares of Osisko Development will trade on or about 2nd December 2020 on a TSX Venture Exchange under the symbol ODV. Great news from all companies, and we keep you posted. Me and all my team are shareholders in one and are all stocks presented and will be included into the SRC Mining Special Situation Certificate. Thanks for watching us and bye-bye from Switzerland.